Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me the last week as we were in the process of moving. We finally closed on our house. We bought a house and we have just been unpacking, but I think we're in a spot where we're pretty much getting settled in, still have some unpacking to do, but I'm finding time to actually be able to sit down and make these videos for you, and I sure did miss it the last week. So I'm glad you guys are here with me today to go over some Walgreens digital deals you can do just using your phone through curbside pickup. So before we get further into the video, I do have an update that I am hearing through the rumor mill that curbside pickups are not producing receipts. If you're doing curbside pickup traditionally, where they bring the order out to your car, they are not producing paper receipts anymore, which, you know, if we're doing curbside orders and wanting to do Ibotta rebates, those paper receipts are vital. And I haven't experienced that yet at my store. Other stores may be different. So as of right now, I would probably just play it safe and go into the store to the photo counter and pick up your orders to see if you'll get a paper receipt. I'm hearing that you will get a paper receipt if you do it that way. I probably wouldn't take any chances and do these the traditional curbside way, which kind of stinks because that is, you know, the whole purpose of curbside, to not leave your car. It's for convenience, but there are several Ibotta rebates I'm mentioning in this video, and of course we want those receipts in order to redeem for them. So that's just the update I'm hearing. Let me know if your stores are doing that, if they're just not producing receipts, if you do traditional curbside. I'd love to get some insight, but I haven't noticed that with my stores yet. It could change though. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into some of these deals that you can do all digital curbside, like I said. If you are new and just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Let's get into it. So starting out with free toothpaste and oral care per usual, we have some Colgate. Buy two, get $4 Walgreens cash. So go ahead and grab a toothbrush and a toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.99 each this week. Two of them totals you $7.98. We have a separate $2 digital for the toothbrush and a separate $2 digital for the toothpaste, leaving you to pay $3.98 but earning $4 Walgreens cash. Makes it completely free. And you can pay with Walgreens cash on this deal and still earn your Walgreens cash. We are not needing to meet any spend requirement. Notice the verbiage says buy two, so we are safe to use that Walgreens cash to lower our out-of-pocket. We have Shea Moisture products that are buy one, get one half off, and I think this is a pretty good deal if you're using a spend booster and wanting some high-value digital coupons to lower your out-of-pocket. So the African Black soaps, they are buy one, get one half off. So they are $4.19 originally. Half off will be $2.09 on that second product, totaling you $6.28 for both. We did get a $5 off of two digital coupon, making the final cost $1.28 for both. Definitely not a bad deal, and you can pay with Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket, of course. But like I said, this would be perfect to throw into a spend booster scenario, like a spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash, because of that high-value digital coupon. We have Bic disposable razors on a promotion for buy two, get $2 Walgreens cash. Before I get further into this scenario, I do want to clear some things up. When you go into the app and you are searching for these Bic disposable razors, underneath you will see there is a promotion that says spend 20 on select personal care products, earn $5 Walgreens cash. You are not going to earn $5 Walgreens cash through curbside. That is a in-store deal only, meaning it is producing a store coupon. We don't get store coupons. We don't get register rewards through curbside anymore, unfortunately. And I do believe that includes several other products like Dollar Shave Club, Dove, but it is in store, spend 20, get a $5 store coupon. So definitely do not aim to do that for curbside. Stick to the buy two, get $2 Walgreens cash, because you will get your $2 Walgreens cash. So grabbing two razors at $5.99 each on sale, that would total you $11.98. We got a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, leaving us to pay $8.98, earning $2 Walgreens cash. Take your receipt and also submit to Ibotta for $2 back when you purchase two. Makes it $4.98 for both. I definitely don't think that's a bad price. And of course, you can pay with Walgreens cash. We have select Nature's Bounty vitamins, buy one, get one half off. So not all of them. Definitely just take a look if you're wanting to grab different varieties to see which ones are at that sale price. However, I noticed the jelly bean vitamins are included, so they are originally $14.99. That half off second product will be $7.49, so that totals you $22.48 for both. We do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is applying to these, leaving you to pay $19.48. Of course, you can pay with Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket, because I know that is kind of pricey to pay. However, you're going to take your receipt, submit to Ibotta for $14.99 back when you purchase 2. Makes the final cost $4.49 for both. I definitely think that's a great amount of savings on this new product, and also coming down from $22. We have Tom's of Maine Kids Toothpaste on promotion again for buy 2, get $5 Walgreens cash. So the kids toothpaste is $4.99 each online. Grabbing 2 totals us $9.98. Now we have that $2 digital coupon from the Colgate deal that is applying to these, because it also includes Tom's of Maine products. So if you're doing the Colgate promotion with the toothpaste, you want to pick or choose. You either do the Colgate or the Tom's of Maine, because they're not 2 separate digitals. You know what I mean? So we have that $2 digital, and then I also found a $1 digital, so that's $3 worth of coupon savings, leaving you to pay $6.98, earning $5 in Walgreens cash, and then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each, so a total of $1, makes the final cost 98 cents for both, and you can pay with Walgreens cash. So Rimmel Cosmetics is a super good deal through Ibotta. However, the Ibotta rebates as of today are showing they will expire tomorrow on Wednesday, August 3rd. So definitely either check your Ibottas to see if it resets, or run and do this deal today, because it is a hot money maker. So grab a Rimmel bronzer at $3.99 and then a Rimmel eyeliner at $4.49. That totals you $8.48 for both. Now, not everybody may have this $2 only for you digital coupon. Those only for you digitals we've been over are based off of your purchase habits and shopping history, so only select accounts will get that. However, my account does. And then we have a 4 off of 2 store digital coupon, which we know those store digital coupons are the My Walgreens coupons that you can stack with manufacturer coupons. But the store coupons obviously take away from spend requirements with those spend boosters. We know this. So if you have all said coupons, you'd be left to pay $2.48. We're going to submit to Ibotta. We're going to get back $2.30 for the bronzer, $2.25 for the eyeliner. So that's a total of $4.55 coming back from Ibotta. Makes the final cost completely free and a $2.07 moneymaker. Of course, you can pay with Walgreens cash. So this is just a nice hot deal. And like I said, you may want to run because it's showing it expires soon. And even if you don't have that $2 only for you digital coupon, I still believe it comes out to a small moneymaker just using that store digital. We were gifted so many deals this week that have Ibotta rebates. I am thoroughly impressed. So Splenda's diabetes shakes, they are on sale for $7.99. We did get a $4 digital coupon, so we'd be left to pay $3.99 online, but we're going to take our receipt and submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making it just 99 cents. And these are originally about $10, so that is a great deal if you need this product. We have Garnier skin wipes, buy one get one half off. So these skin active wipes right here, they are $6.26 online. That second product will be half off at $3.13, totaling you $9.39. We did get a $2 off of 1 digital coupon, and then a $2 My Walgreens store digital coupon. So that'll apply twice, giving us $4 in savings. So a total of $6 in coupon savings between the store coupon and digital, making the final cost $3.39 for both. And you can pay with Walgreens cash on this. So I think that's a pretty good deal, coming down from $9 for some micellar wipes. All right, and lastly, we have some 7th generation household products. Buy 2, get $2 Walgreens cash. Your cheapest option is some of the disinfecting wipes at $3.19 each. Grabbing 2 will total you $6.38. We have a $1.50 off of 1 digital coupon and a $1 off of 1 digital coupon. So go ahead and clip both of those. That leaves you to pay $3.88 online. You can pay with Walgreens cash. You'll earn $2 Walgreens cash back for buying 2. Makes the final cost $1.88 for both. I've never used these products before, and it's showing all the stores in my area do not carry it. So Kind of stinks I can't do this deal, but it looks like a really good deal on some 7th generation products. All right, so that's just some of the online deals I found. There is probably more. And as I was making my list last night, I kind of had to cut myself off because there was quite a good bit of deals. Definitely using the rebate apps. And keep in mind that a little PSA I put at the beginning of the video for the curbside orders and the receipts. Like I said, I'd probably just play it safe and go to the photo counter and pick up our orders instead of doing the traditional way. And all these deals I mentioned today, I did not realize you can pay with Walgreens cash on all of them. So that's super good, having that low out of pocket. And all these deals are also perfect to throw in if you have a spend booster, like a spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash. Super, super great. And if you happen to be new to Ibotta, I do have my referral link down in the description box. When you sign up with my referral code, you will get a $10 welcome bonus for redeeming your first offer. So extra savings to throw in to your Walgreens deals this week. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you're grabbing any of these deals mentioned today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.